Jehovah, 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 Jehovah. Hi, welcome to today's episode of Bass Lesson. Today I'm going to be showing you the simple technique you can use to play praises in church service. It's a very simple pattern. You can use it for any song when singing praises like Makosa and Our Life and the likes of them. So I'm going to be playing on the key of D. So what you're going to be doing is do, so do, do, so do, do, so do, fa, do, fa, fa, do, fa, do, so do, so do, so, re, so, re, so, do, so do, so do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, do, so do, so do, so, re, so, re, so, do. What you need to think about this technique is it's the same pattern, the same movement. All you just need to know is the root note. So the same way you are placing your hand on do, so do, so do. If you are going to fa, you just fa, do, fa, do, fa. Then if you are coming to so, re, so, re, so. Then you go to la, mi, la, mi, la. Do, so do, so do. So that's basically all you need to do. Just follow the root note and use the same pattern. So do, so do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, so, re, so, fa, do, fa, do, fa, do, so do, so do, fa, do, fa. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to play a loop and then we'll use the same pattern and I'll be singing some songs to actually exemplify the whole thing for you to understand better and also practice along too. Let's begin. Jehovah, you are the most high. 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 Jehovah, my Lord is good, oh. My Lord is good, oh. King a double, everything a double, everything a double, my Lord is good, oh. My God is good, oh. Everything a double, everything a double. Let's see what Lord can do. 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 Casting ground, lifting hand. Where we are is all we've come to do. Casting ground, lifting hands. Where we are is all we've come to do. Casting ground, lifting hands. Where we are is all we come to do. Casting done, that's it done. If the end, how we now, it's all we come to do. So do this daily, practice until it feels comfortable, and also do it if you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe for more lessons. So more of this will keep coming.